We are back with enchiladas part 2. She has prepped the pan by putting some filling on the bottom.
Sour cream and cheese.
Sour cream and cheese.
It's gonna get messy.
Okay, not really filling, but sour cream and cheese.
No, this is the filling.
That's the filling.
But we got our base here.
Scratch, sniff.
Sure.
Rest of theirs.
If they're overfilled, that's okay.
Don't be afraid to overfill.
Yeah, do not be afraid to overfill because you're putting the seam side down anyway. And just, thank you.
My oven is telling me it is hot. It's hot and ready like Little Caesars.
I have already made a mess of my fingers, but it is okay.
It's fine, you can just lick your finger.
No, it's cold. You don't want to lick your fingers right now. This mix tastes really good if you don't want to use tortillas.
We're just laying it seam side down along the row.
You can literally use anything with this mix.
Booty.
No, I wouldn't recommend putting this on your booty.
No, I want the camera at your booty.
Why?
Booty. Did you ever fill that one a little bit, but she's pushed against?
There's literally no, and you can even just put this crap in like a casserole dish without the tortillas, and then you crumbled funami, are they called? Fritos. Crumbled Fritos and cheese on top of it.
It does sound good.
And make a Fritos enchilada casserole.
I'll have to try that one day. If I do try that one day, I might post a picture of it. Not just on my Twitter that I plugged earlier, but I'm also going to post the finished product too. On my Instagram, which I know is definitely linked in my profile.
Oh.
But once again, you can just also click, also search up Juster 4444 and find me there. Which I know Kayla's beautiful face is on there too.
Oh, Lordy, is it?
Hey, you're on my Instagram.
Oh yeah. I think the last video on me is me eating ice cream at McDonald's and being the happiest little weirdo out there.
It's sad your dad approved me because I bought myself McDonald's.
Look, you have a job. You're halfway.
I have a job and I bought myself McDonald's. He's like, I approve of this boyfriend.
You're already like 95% better than anybody I've ever dated.
Well, I'm not the best you've ever dated. Wow.
No, you're 95% better than anybody I've ever dated.
You guys heard that right? She said that wrong.
How is what I'm saying wrong?
She's like, you're like 95% the best boyfriend I've ever had.
No, you're 95% better.
That's what you said, though.
Yes, I did. Go back and look. I know what I done did said.
Look at that boy running around with his chicken head. I had running around like a chicken with his head cut off.
I know what I done did said. I have an education.
You have an education?
I am given. It's called learn quick or get hit in the head with something heavy.
Trying to do like an overview where you're not seeing the laundry. Sorry if you guys are seeing the laundry. Probably should have covered that up. Kayla.
What?
She's saying no.
Oh, that might be a little bit too much. Oh my.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh my. Let's take out that end piece.
Maybe both end pieces.
Making a mess is part of the fun. That's why we don't let kids do this.
That's why you let kids do it.
No, that's why we don't let kids do this. Now we do this.
I mean, you can probably skip it
3,
over.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. What's 14 plus 16?
She's gone cross-eyed.
Seriously though.
14 plus 16?
Yeah.
30.
Okay, yeah, that's how many I made. So 9, 18. Oh shit. I'm going to do two sections. Probably. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 18, and then 19, 20, 21, 22.
Probably 2 pans of it.
You got like a square brownie pan? That would work perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
Glass?
It doesn't matter.
Will glass work?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me grab that out.
And then you can have just your own little personal pan full of yumminess.
I mean, I got a couple different pans.
Yeah, it just has to have enough of a lip.
Well, I mean, that deep.
Yeah, that's fine. Because it won't cheese it up.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah.
Which I'll pull out actually after. Once we put this one in.
Yeah. Yeah, because it won't take as long.
But now to help with the recording too. Yeah. Can't pull it out.
I don't know. Oh, this is the ripped one. Okay, everyone, if you rip it, it's okay. I promise you.
If you rip one, it's fine. We all rip one occasionally.
If you rip it, it's all good because it's seam side down anyway. So people are gonna rip along the edges. Some people have ripped edges, and it's okay. We still love them. They're still delicious.
Hashtag body positivity.
Hashtag love thyself.
Hashtag Hufflepuff.
Hashtag what the Hufflepuff? That's a real
What the Hufflefuck?
That's a real hashtag, by the way.
I bet it is.
I want that mug.
Fucking Hufflepuffs.
They have a mug that says that. It says, I don't give a Hufflepuff.
Fucking Hufflepuffs.
You do fuck Hufflepuffs. Look at that big chunk.
If anyone doesn't know yet, too. Why does it look like a delicious cannoli? Anyone doesn't know yet, they probably... I don't know. Where the fuck you been? Why have you not been watching my channel? Watch more videos. But, I'm a Slytherin.
Total Slytherin.
So, I'm very evil.
And we all know
I'm evil and cunning.
We all know that the best things for Slytherin is a sweet little Hufflepuff to take care of them and love them and remind them to love themselves. And it's not all about world domination. It's not all about world domination. Love thyself.
Fucking Hufflepuffs.
Love thyself, you beautiful fucking butterfly. Okay. Okay, you want to hit a minute on that mic for me?
What, just whatever's in here?
Yeah, that's the... There's no spoon in there, right?
No.
Sorry, I'm paranoid. I couldn't remember if I took the spoon out or not. Oh, it's right there on the lid. I'm dumb. Sorry about that.
Guess you guys want to see inside my microwave?
My bad.
That is the sour cream cheese thing that we were doing earlier.
It's sour cream cheese and a little bit of adobo.
Hey, look, we're miking an iPhone. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 more gotta go in the other pan.
No.
Cause this little baby's all stuffed. Let me rinse off real
So, how long do... So, Kayla,
quick.
how long do these go in the oven for?
It really depends on your oven strength, but once everything starts looking bubbly on top, you're pretty damn good. Like 10-15 minutes for most.
10-15 minutes at what degree?
350.
350 at 10 to 15 minutes.
That's when I realized that was a Loch Ness monster, and it wanted 350. Where's the
What
dang
the fuck are you
towel?
talking about? Right there.
I keep forgetting you don't watch South Park that much. People who watch South Park will know that joke. They will know the 350 Loch Ness monster joke.
350 Loch Ness Monster, South Park. Okay.
Hashtag classics.
Hashtag unpopular opinion.
Hashtag dropping shit.
Just drop sour cream all
Oh, this
over me.
looks wrong.
Picking apart creamy stuff from my feet. Yeah.
Okay,
Um,
it's together.
unpopular opinion, I'm not a big fan of South Park.
Popular opinion, get better at your opinions.
Hashtag opinion.
And then we're gonna take this deliciousness.
I might coach you here one day, just like I might actually hit all the tags. But
Right? Hashtag smear the white cream.
cream all over the enchiladas. So hold on. Oh.
Hashtag not in the kitchen, you said. Unpopular opinion for me, but okay. I'll respect it.
Well, the kitchen is a sacred place. It is a sacred place.
I'm not saying that out loud because I'm a sweet, innocent little Hufflepuff.
So what she said was...
Shut your face hole. Okay, this has to go on the oven. Oh, I need more cheese.
Yeah, we need more cheese.
I'm using taco blend. It has taco seasoning up in it. They ain't dumb.
No free sponsor. No for brand deals.
No free brand deals, but this thing has taco seasoning in it. Don't mind my violent vibrating. I do the same thing to the popcorn at movies. Stop getting into the cheese. You can eat some of the cheese later if there's any left. Stop.
I was helping.
Okay.
I sprinkled.
Now, before.
Before. Yes.
Gorgeous.
Sniff it. Scratch it. I don't know. I kind of like when he does that, though.
He's gonna go in the oven. Okay, and then where's the other pan you said?
Alright. And then, so yeah, it goes in about 10-15 minutes, 350.
Just pay attention to it. If it starts looking bubbly, take it out.
If it starts looking bubbly, take it out. But keep an eye on it. And, that's pretty much it. We're gonna do the rest of this. And I shall post the finished product on my Instagram. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Probably gonna just put it on Instagram. I don't really use Twitter often. Because I personally don't like Twitter.
I have not logged in.
It's full of just salt. Salt. Nothing but salt.
Not gonna lie. You know what my mom uses Twitter for?
What?
She gets codes for her free books from Twitter.
No free brand deals. But, yeah. I'll post the finished product on my Instagram, so go follow me there. And we'll see you guys next time. Any final words?
Don't eat this stuff raw. Like, cook it first.
Oh.
Well, no, because it's cold. I mean, just letting everyone know. It's not, nothing's raw here, but it doesn't taste that good cold.
I'll get a taste of that.
Wow, baby.
Right. See you later, guys.